Okay, we're doing a water experiment today. Because it rained, a lot. She just decided, well, let's do something with water in the microscope. So tell us what kind of waters we have.
This is water from a puddle on the sidewalk.
Puddle on the sidewalk.
This is from water from the retention area in our yard.
So the retention area in the yard is a grassy area. Okay.
And this is tap water.
Tap water.
Rainwater.
Rainwater.
Filtered fridge water.
Filtered from the fridge.
And bottled water.
Bottled. Alrighty. Well, here we go. So you're just going to suck a little bit. We're going to go cleanest to dirtiest. At least our idea of what is going to be cleanest to dirtiest. Just need a drip or two. There you go.
I see nothing at all.
Well, go ahead and focus. All right, so the first one.
Whoa! Wait, never mind. It's just lines from the rag and the residue of the other one. Never mind.
All right, we got a brand new slide to make sure it was nice and clean. And now we're doing, what is this? Filtered fridge water. So with the bottled water, we didn't see too much, of course, because it's fairly clean. So I think the first few will be a little boring. There won't be much to see.
Same little speckles as the last one.
Hopefully there won't be too much to see, though, right?
Oh, that's on the lines. There's something on the lines.
You definitely don't want to see crap in your bottled water or filtered water.
So there's something that might be over here on the lines. Hold it.
Okay, this is the filtered water from the fridge. All right, this is the good one. This is rainwater, which looks super clean.
Fresh rainwater that we sat out in the rain and waited for it to fill up for like an hour.
And we're using a clean slide for each one. We had tried to wipe one off with a cotton, but it left some streaks, so.
Looks pretty much the same.
Pretty much the same? Well, that's good.
I'm excited for the puddle water.
Let's see. Yes.
And the tap water.
Let's see if I can see anything here. There she is.
Just awful speckly like the rest.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's try some good stuff. Okay, so this is tap water. This is right from the faucet, not through the fridge filter.
Looks exactly the same. This actually looks cleaner than all the rest.
Well, that's weird and scary. Let's see what we can see.
It looks less speckly.
Well, and we're just looking with our eyes today. We're not doing any chemical experiments. So we will have to do that another day. So this one might be a little more interesting, we hope.
This is from the retention.
Yes, this is from the retention area, which is the grassy area that holds the rainwater behind the house. She's going to grab some. It definitely doesn't look as clean as the other water if you compare it to rainwater.
Grass and dirt at the bottom. Take a good look from the bottom.
Oh, yeah, it does. Oh,
Very
yeah.
dirty.
Nice. All right. Hope there's something in it.
Maybe some living parasites.
Who knows?
Ooh. Wait. Ooh. Oh, that was a bubble. It looks exactly the same.
Oh, jeez. All right.
Take a look.
Here we go. Well.
That was a little anticlimactic.
Well.
Oh, there's something moving.
I did see that. I wonder if anybody else could see that. There was something that just moved. That was creepy.
People do this kind of stuff with strawberries. They put it in salt and vinegar water, and bugs are supposed to.
There is stuff moving in there. Did you see it?
Yes, I did.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to get my thing lined up. It's hard to hold the phone here.
There's a little,
Oh my God! There's things moving.
Stuff scurrying around.
Oh my. All right. That was fun. Look at it again and we'll take a couple pictures. All right. Yep.
Last but not least, this is puddle water. It's the most yellow of them all.
Puddle water from the curb, right? Like by the street?
The curb. That one's even more yellow. I didn't get a sample of that one.
No.
But this is from the sidewalk.
From the sidewalk. Okay.
The one from the curb like has algae in it. I kind of want to go get some of that.
Okay. You can do that. Is it?
It actually looks less dirty.
Well, it could potentially look less dirty because the grass area has.
I didn't see any little.
Yeah, I don't see anything floating or moving.
The grass one.
But the grass has dirt in it too, so
This one also did have
there
dirt in it.
definitely would be living things in that grass. So I don't see anything moving in this one. Nothing's moving here. Do you want to go get your other sample?
Yeah, I'm gonna go collect some from the curb.
Collect some from the curb. All right.
Could be crumbs of street.
All right.
Could be dirt.
She is doing the curb water now.
Ooh, look at that. That could be dirt. That could be the street.
Could be anything. Could be living things.
Could be little baby ants.
Probably not.
Probably not.
All right. Look.
What do you know? Looks the same.
All right, let's see if we see anything moving. And I'll come look through the phone. Can you see behind me?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't see anything moving.
But it's very speckly because of the dirt I collected.
Yeah, there's lots of stuff in there. Lots of dirt.
So apparently the grass one was the most dirty.
Well, that probably has the most actual dirt.
And or living things.
So let's look again though. Look at these colors.
Wait, we need to put one more member in the envelope.
On the bottled water to the, what is this one?
This one is the fridge water.
Fridge water. But look how clean the rainwater is. I mean, it's as clean easily as the fridge water.
Immaculate.
It's very clean. And it looks clean. Well, you used all different cups though.
Yes, that is tap water.
We should have used the same cups. But the rainwater is super clean.
It is so clean. Get a view from the top.
Hold on. Oh, from the top? Okay.
Yes.
So this one is
The fridge water.
Fridge water.
Rain.
This is rainwater. It's very clean.
Tap water.
Tap water. It's this glass has a slight coloring to the glass, so I think that's part of it. But look at this.
That's the retention.
That's the retention area,
Disgusting.
which means that definitely has dirt and grass in it because that's where that's from.
Disgusting.
And then this was
The puddle.
the puddle on our bricks, the sidewalk.
Yeah, it was also slightly in the dirt and grass, so that's why it's so yellow. And that one is the curb.
This is the curb from the street.
It felt like I was standing on the curb, and it felt like there was algae on the bottom.
All right, which ones would you be willing to drink?
The tap, the rain, the bottled, and the...
You want to taste the rainwater? Taste the rainwater.
I don't trust it that much.
I would.
Go.
I would
Do
absolutely.
it.
Because if you are in a survival situation, right? You collect rainwater. No, that's the water that's in a stream or a river. Rainwater is fresh.
You gotta make sure
Taste
it's not
it.
downstream.
Taste it. Rainwater's fresh from the sky.
If it's not
Drink
good,
it.
If it's not good, I'm gonna Gordon Ramsay
Drink it.
I'm gonna go Gordon Ramsay and spit it in your face.
Come on, drink it. It's good for you.
It's good for me. It smells like dirt.
No, it doesn't.
Yes,
It's
it
right from the sky.
Smell it.
Oh my God.
Which
you gotta
came
drink
from
it.
the ground. It just evaporated.
No, that's real water. Right there.
Yeah.
It is not.
Tastes like Sam's Club water. That's like slightly bitter.
No, that's good. That's real, fresh. Ooh, that's as real as it gets, kid. All right, so there's your colors. Changes of water. Next time we'll do the Gulf and we'll do the pond behind the house. Now that stuff will definitely have living things in it. All right. Bye-bye.